Today I'm going to go through a new step in this series. It's called triple full turn. The name might mislead you a little bit. Sounds like you're doing 3 turns, triple. But fortunately it's just one full turn, but you do it with 3 steps. The triple full turn, you might do it forward, backwards, or sideways. The point, of course, is because it's a full turn, you end up in the same direction as when you started. Yeah, but the point is you do it on with 3 steps. Okay, let's start going forward. So I start with weight on my left. You could have started with weight on the right as well. Then I'm going to turn to my left. So turn to the left. I do a half turn, sorry. Step back on my right. All weight is on the right. I step one more half, then step forward on left. You end up on the third step, doing step forward, step. Yeah. So it's half step forward. Okay. One more time. Weight is on left. You turn to the left and going forward. 7, 8. Half step. Yeah. Try to remember that every step when I go forward is in the forward direction. So every step is a little bit further away in that direction than the previous step. So you don't end up, because if you end up towards the camera, then you're going in the wrong direction. Yeah. So you start with the weight on left, half, right is a little bit that way, left a little bit more that way, and then last right, and further, one more step further forward. Yeah. Okay, let's do it one last time. 7, 8, half step. Normal counting with a triple full turn. 7, 8, 1 and 2. Okay. So then you end with the weight on the right. If I do it the other way, or with the other foot, I start with the weight on my right, then I turn to my right, but the rest is the same. It's a half step forward. 7, 8, half step forward. And then my weight ends on left. Yeah, very good. Okay, I'm going to show this triple full turn going backwards as well. It's not that, I haven't seen that done very often in dances. It's more often to do a 1.5 turn going backwards, but of course you can do a triple full turn going backwards as well. And I'm sure there are lots of dances, line dances with a triple full turn backwards in it, just that I haven't danced many of them. Okay, I'll start with my weight on the left as well. Starting facing away from the camera, I turn to my right. I start doing a half turn, step forward on the right. I step one more half turn, then I step back on my left, and I end up the triple full doing one small step back with my right, back. So we're still 3 steps, half step back. It's almost the same when we did the triple full turn forward. This turns and step, but then it was forward, now it's backwards. One more time. I stand on my left, turn around over my right shoulder. 7, 8, half step. And then weight ends on right. Okay. The normal counting would be backwards triple full turn as well. 7, 8, 1 and 2. And of course, if I do it with my left, then I start with my left, then I have to start with weight on my right. But I start with moving my left feet first and turning to my left. 7, 8, so it's half step. And then I can continue with a back rock or something, going backwards because your movement and energy are going in the direction of the camera, of your viewers. So, very good. Okay. Let's continue with the triple full turn. This time we're going to do it sideways. So, I'm going to start with weight on my left. As always, I could have started with right, but I'm going to start with my left. I'm going to do, the turn this time is a quarter, half, quarter. Yeah? So I start with doing a quarter turn, quarter, half turn, half, and then I do one more quarter, quarter. Yeah, and then I end in the same direction as I started. Weight is on my right. Okay? We're counting as well. Normal counting is 1 and 2, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Yeah. It's almost like a very similar to a rolling vine. But in a rolling vine you would expect, you would end with a touch. The triple full is a quarter, half, quarter. We can do a cross rope or some other steps. Yeah. Of course, I could have done it in the other direction as well. Then I start with the weight on my right and going to my left. 7, 8. So it's a quarter, half, quarter. And then all my weight is on my left. Ready to do some more dance steps. Very good. Okay, I would also like to mention sort of a variation of the, not variation, but one more type with a triple full turn, and that is a triple full turn on the spot. That means you're not moving in any direction. Yeah? So, I'm starting the weight on my left, it could have been right of course. I'm going to end in the same direction as I start. I start with doing a half turn on my right shoulder, step forward on my right, I spin on my left, step forward on right. On the ankle or the second step, I step left on my left ball, I step together, and I finish the full turn with a half turn, I step right forward again, forward. Yeah. One more time slowly, 7, 8, so it's half together, half. And end up in exactly approximately the same place as when I started. Okay, the normal counting with a triple full turn on the spot is 1 and 2 as well as the previous turns. So let's do the counting, 7, 8, 1 and 2. And I start with it on my right. Yeah. Of course I can do it with the left as well. Then I start weight on right, do the step first with the left foot, then I of course turn to my left. So 7, 8, so it's half together, half. Still doing a full turn, still end up in the approximately the same place, but you turn the other way around. So good luck.